This is the Eugenie Surface app that will be displayed on a Microsoft Surface table and respond to motions such as touch and dragging. So here we have the workspace where you build the system of devices or device that you want from parts or devices that you click and drag from the search field here. Or you can add parts and devices from collections that you've built previously. So say I want to build a device containing a device called device A. So in the search I would enter device A, and here search results will be displayed, and you can scroll through, and when you find the device that you want, you can click and drag to the workspace area. So we want to build upon this, so we can add a new part or device and just enter a new search query, find the part or device that you want, click and drag, and build upon what you have. So when two pieces are touching next to each other like this, they create an icon that looks like this, and the little point here indicates that these two are connected and that they are in this order. So after we build upon this, we can create a complex system of devices. Looks like this. And so here at the level 2, you can input the name of the design, and here is the level 1 devices that comprise this level 2 system. And when you click on a device, you can see the parts that make up this device and the properties associated with the parts in this device. And if you want to see more detail about the parts, you can click and see the properties of the specific part. So here is just a generic promoter. There isn't any specified properties of it, but you can type in and specify, say, you want this promoter to be induced by a small molecule. So you can input in this field the small molecule that you want this promoter to be induced by, and that will filter your search results to include promoters with this specific property. So here is just the tree view, but we can also view behavior or the Eugene code behind this tree. So for now, let's see what it looks like when we highlight Eugene and tree view. So a multi-pane view will appear, and you have your tree on the left side and Eugene code on the right. So this is the view when tree and Eugene are highlighted. You can also, so within this view, when you add to the tree, the Eugene code live updates. So for example, you define your promoter with specific properties, the Eugene code will update to have the promoter with those properties. We can also view behavior simultaneously, and so we would have 3 panes, and we can view the tree here, the Eugene code here, and the behavior of the different parts and devices in this area. And so all this are tied together, and so you can view the tree, the code, and the behavior of the parts. So when you want to see results for the permutations of your device, you hit results and a pop-up window appears with the results, and you can export these results so that you can view them in a different format later. You can also, so then you can exit the results window, pop-up window, and you're back to this view. You can export or save this as well, and you can export the Eugene code to be read in a different program. So these are the capabilities of the Surface app for Eugenie.